What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRite. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and the first impressions on the Coolpad Legacy S. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so we got the Coolpad Legacy S from Boost Mobile. Now you can get this from many different places, but I did actually go ahead and pick this up from Walmart. Now, starting off the price, I did pay $59.99, and it's actually free when you switch to Boost Mobile, so that's pretty cool. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the specifications. Alright, so for our specifications, we have a 5.45 inch touchscreen, and I believe that's actually going to be a 720p screen. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I'm guessing. We have a 2,450 milliamp battery, talk time up to 17 hours, 3G and 4G LTE with HPU. We also have a 2 GHz quad-core processor, 16 GB of ROM, 2 GB of RAM. I believe this is also going to have Android 9.0, and we have an 8 megapixel main and 5 megapixel front-facing camera. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this real quick, and it looks like we get a whole separate Coolpad box, which is actually pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take that out right now. All right, everyone, so here we have the other Coolpad box for the Legacy S. We're going to go ahead and take this off now, and we have the phone on the top right there. As you guys can see, we have a screen right there that's 5.45 inches, and this is actually the back of the phone. Definitely reminds me of old Motorola devices, just from that little clear slate of plastic in the middle. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this aside. Next thing we have right here is our USB to USB Type-C. So we actually have Type-C on this phone, so that's definitely a positive. Next we have our travel adapter. Let's go and put it aside. And that's pretty much everything we have in the box. Alright everyone, so first and foremost, we have a 720p PFP display right here, as you guys can see, at 5.45 inches. And this is also going to be a 160 ppi screen, which definitely isn't amazing, but this is also going to be 18:9. Next, at the top of the device, we have a front-facing 5 megapixel camera. We also have the headset on the right side of it, and on the left we actually have a proximity light sensor, so that's going to be a blue light for notifications. Right side of the phone we have our silver power button, and just above that we have our volume up and down rocker. Bottom of the phone, surprisingly enough, we have a USB Type-C port, and just to the left of that we have our noise cancelling mic. Top of the phone we have a noise cancelling mic, and all the way to the left of that we have our 3.5mm head jack. Bottom of the phone, as I talked about a bit, we have this Coolpad logo. Now the back, I believe, is removable. Yeah, so we have a removable back right there. Back is removable. Plastic right here, as you guys can see. We also have our camera that's going to be coming in at 8 megapixels. Just below that we have the flash. We also have Coolpad branding. Alright everyone, so starting off, we just booted up the phone. The 720p screen actually looks pretty decent, as you guys can see. Definitely super clear. Now this looks like it's stock Android right here, with maybe a little skin on it. But yeah, definitely feels super stock Android, so we're not going to get any bloatware, it looks like. But first and foremost, I definitely want to go on the settings and check if this is Android 9.0, so we're gonna go and check that out right now. Alright everyone, so this is actually Android 9.0, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and click on that. And yep, we have Android 9.0 on this device, so the most latest software on this device, which is cool. Next, let's go ahead and look at some pull down features. Now we have our Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb, flashlight, auto rotate, battery saver. We have our data right there, airplane mode. You can actually cast this to your screen as well, so you can go ahead and cast different things from your phone to your TV or other devices. And yeah, we can actually go ahead and add a few things and edit. We can add night light, we have invert colors, data saver, all of that on there. It doesn't look like we have any note-taking capabilities like the Stylo 5 or Galaxy A20 or whatever, but you do also have to take into consideration that this is a $60 phone. So very cheap phone, and this is also going to be free for some people that actually switch. So yeah, let's go into the camera and let's go ahead and wrap it up. So as you guys see in camera, we have picture and we have video. So very basic right here. I believe we can shoot up to 720p as far as video goes. Now going into settings, it looks like we can take the 8 megapixel 4x3 photos, 5 megapixel 4x3, 2 megapixels 16:9, and 1 megapixel 16:9. But yeah, as far as the picture sizes, we see that right there. And I believe we have something for video as well in there. No, actually nothing for video. We have shutter sound, white balance auto, and ISO auto. So pretty basic inside of here. Let's go ahead and take a picture real quick and see how this comes out. All right everyone, so I just took this picture and it's actually not too bad. Of course, for an 8 megapixel rear facing camera on a super budget phone. This is pretty decent. The colors are decent. The lighting looks actually pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and test this in low light later on, but yeah, not sure if it's going to do good under anything other than good lighting, or at least studio lighting, because it's probably the only way this picture looks halfway decent, but we're definitely gonna go ahead and check that out. But yeah, for a stock Android experience on the Coolpad Legacy S, you guys can go ahead and pick this up from Boost Mobile, or if you want to go to Walmart, I believe at Target as well, they sell Boost Mobile phones. You guys can go ahead and pick those up. So wrapping up my video, obviously this isn't the best looking phone, but if you can get it for free, it's definitely a decent pickup. Obviously any free phone is really a decent pickup nowadays. But yeah, definitely plastic build. You know, the camera's not too horrible. We do have Android 9.0 and a couple of gigabytes of RAM, so you guys can play, you know, your Temple Run or Candy Crush on this. It's going to be a very, very basic phone for someone who really doesn't need too much in a phone. But I would definitely give it the stamp of approval if you guys are getting this phone for free. If you guys want me to make more videos on this phone, definitely put it in the comments down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely hit that like button, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.